Hi, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Kanye and this is Gadgets in a Budget. Today I have got for you a 12-volt heavy-duty air compressor. Okay, I have two of them. Okay, this one I've already used. I'm gonna show you how they work. They are so good. I get a lot of slow punches on my tires, so these things come in very handy. It saves time. You don't have to go to the garage to pump your tires. You can just easily do it here. I'm gonna show you how. Unboxing, fun times. Okay, here it is on the outside. All right, it's basically written DC 12-volt heavy-duty car compressor. Okay, and there's like other specs here that they've written. I'll show you the specs on the side just now. Let's just see what's on the inside. Okay, I've never used this and I've had it for quite some time. Here it is. Okay. All right, so here's our compressor and the low bits and pieces that it comes with, and it comes with this yellow coily thing. It's to extend if it's a bit far or your tire is high, I don't know, but here it is. And then it has this cigarette charging port that you put on the cigarette charging port to power it up. I'll show you how that works. And then this is the part that goes onto your tire. And then this is how you would extend it. If you were to extend it, where's that side? Yeah, see, look at this and look at this. You can just put it in here and extend it. See, and you can go and put it on your tire. Okay, but we don't need to. We've got access to our tire. And then this part, this is the part that you can use if you don't have the cigarette pot. You can use this on your batteries, on negative and positive. This piece, you can push it in here and then you can charge it, not charge it, just connect these to your positive and your negative of your battery. And this thing should go on. Okay. It has a on and off power button here. I don't know if you can see it. It has an on and off power button here. And over here, it has a meter where you can see how much air you've punched onto your car and control it. It has a handle as well that you can use to carry it. Oh, and it has other little bits and pieces that you can use for your bicycle and stuff like that. I'll show you. I just don't have them with me right now. Take a Lot brings it to you in this bag. Okay, like it's quite neat and portable. Okay, and you can put everything, can literally fit in here. See. Nice and portable. So in a very unfortunate event that you get a puncture, this is what you would do with this portable compressor from Take a Lot. Take out your compressor. Obviously the pieces that you're gonna need, you're not gonna need everything. Okay, you're not gonna need, okay, I'm gonna show you how to use this one. It's just not right now. You're not gonna need this because we can easily access our tire. So you're gonna make sure that the car is on, and then you can proceed to put this part over to this part. Just that easy. You will take this part and insert it in here. And then the next step, you're gonna come to the compressor on and off button that is over here. And then you're gonna press it to switch it on, and when you have switched it on, it will give you a loud vibrating sound to show you that it has already started pumping air onto the tire. And this meter over here will show you how much air it has pumped onto the tire. And you can do this in a few minutes. This can be done in like a few minutes and then you are good to go. Now, assuming that you only want to use the battery part for whatever reason, you go on and you connect these two parts together, and then you take these two parts, you go on, you connect your positive to your positive on your battery and your negative onto your negative on your battery. Right. Okay, maybe this can do. Okay, let's go and press in the compressor and see if it's gonna switch on. Yes, there we go. It can be done and it can pump air. I'm gonna switch it off. because it pumps a lot of air. All right, that's it for today's gadget on a budget. Let me know what you think about it on the comment section down below. Do you have a compressor? How do you use it? What challenges have you faced using it, or what tips can you give us to that we can, I don't know, improve our use of it? I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.